physically challenged Baba Sripat Paibi, who was struggling to actually help others also, and who has been fighting for the disability right, who is a member of the Disability Right Association, and who struggled to get a license for the two-wheelers and four-wheelers, where the issue was also raised in the state assembly because of him. He has decided of his own to come and join the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee. He feels that he will use this platform to take up this cause of many more physically challenged people who are struggling in the life, to help them. So I warmly welcome him to our party and wish him all the best. And he will continue to take the issues and continue to struggle for others.
जे बारीक लोकांचे जी कामां आसता ती इमिजिएटली जायना, ती कामां बेगीनच्या बेगीन जावपाक खूब गव्हर्मेंटान दवरतलो.